finish dinner, I'm gonna go take a walk with my camera and see taking the beautiful scenery here at the Au Sable River Canoe Campground. I'm taking a little walk in this walking path. Man, it's great. Let's see where it goes. Yeah, it's a little walking path along the Au Sable River. I'm taking a little walk. Nice little evening walk. And there's Paul right there. Here comes somebody else today. Here they come. Now we're just relaxing by the campfire. You can hear off the distance some girls over there. It's getting a little annoying. But it is what it is. Do a little walk through the neighborhood. Shh. Yeah. A couple people are partying over there. Park over there. Some people over there. And them over there, they all went to bed. Yeah, they all went to bed. They're over there. Turning lights on, going to bed. Shh. We got them over there having a fireplace. They're asleep. Shh. These are empty. Yep. There's a tent in that one. Oh yeah. Yeah, spooky. Where's our trail? Outdoor equipment. Yeah, you can see over there me see. You're going to bed. And you got our site. Look at, you know, we're nice and quiet. And you get our site, we're nice and quiet. Nice and quiet. We're set up good. Not too much noise.
It's a state campground.
Well, that's on the state side. I was below this wall, so that's in state.
Nation pass. I do not motor vehicles open. Camp numbered sites only. Camp on numbered sites only. Okay.
You got a trash full trash.
Yeah.
Oh,
That tells me this place is busy.
yeah.
Cute little sites.
Yeah, they are.
Cute little sites, Johnny. Getting in them would be a little. Well, that one you could do a loop right there. Yeah. He's got a big trailer in here.
Oh, yeah.
They're just determined to get their trailers in.
Mm-hmm.
There's another one.
Yep. It's busy.
And look at this one back here.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that setup.
Oh, yeah.
Good God.
God. Oh, my
And that
God.
other one over there.
Oh, yeah.
I don't think so.
No.
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 I don't think so.
Mm.
Too many. That's why it's too many sites.
Yep.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, yeah.
Holy crap. Yeah, no. Where's the river? Down there?
Yeah, it's down
We have
there.
to go through a footpath or something.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. This is too many people.
Oh yeah.
Look at that. He's got that big honking thing down there.
My God, man. No, thank you.
No, thank you.
Yeah, no, thank you, Johnny.
No, this one's a no-go.
Mm-hmm. Look at that thing.
Oh, my gosh.
Good God, how do you get that in there? Jesus.
Yeah.
Yeah, no.
No.
Nope.
No.
Johnny says.
Look at that. Oh, my gosh. They got a whole yard going thing.
Oh, well, you gotta protect the dog.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Yeah.
God help us, Lord. Yeah, no.
No.
Mm-mm.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
No thanks. Yeah. No, thank you very much.
Mm-mm.
Well, that made up our minds.
Yeah, it did.
And then it's no easy trek, looks like, to the river.
No.
So here at one time, there's concrete pads there.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Oh, it goes out.
This comes out to 72.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, gotta be. Okay, so it just comes around is what it does.
Yeah.
Alright. This is where we turn around. Good God. I remember when we came down here, they had trailers.
Yeah.
Trailers in those two spots right there. Somebody abandoned trailers. That's the spot we stayed. Now, where did we stay?
Yeah, we stayed right there.
In 3?
Yeah.
This is quite a ways down here. Wow. There is like a lot of people.
Everyone is full.
Yeah. Well, there's only a few here. What is 6?
Yeah.
7. Seems to be 7, 8 is the magic number for campgrounds. Huh. And this company's having a party here.
Yeah.
All right. There. Recreation passport required. We got it. Oh, wow. Look at this.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. That's, everybody's going on a trip. Now they're going out on the river. All right, Johnny. Somebody else is dripping through here, Johnny.
Yeah.
Issue passport. Which way do you go?
That way.
That way? Okay. What's that? Must loop around.
Yeah, I must loop around. Must be the other loop then. There's a campground.
Oh no, there's your river.
Yep.
Horse hitching place. There's a trail there. Showing the horses. Yeah, let's go see what we can see. Let's see what we can see. Johnny says, let's go see what we can see and what we can see.
Daily fees and campsites.
Michigan DNR.
Department of National Resources Forest Campground operate mission for natural resources in partnership with Consumers Energy.
Usually you go on the right.
We should make it go. Oh, here's some campsites.
Oh, yeah. Okay, there's nobody here.
No.
It's probably similar, what I'm thinking, is to where we're staying.
Yeah.
This is kind of the end of the line.
Yeah.
So,
Must be like a boat canoe launch. You can launch a canoe right here.
There's a bathroom. That's what it is, Johnny.
Not bad.
Yeah, I think that's it. I don't know what it's talking about. I think.
Yeah.
I would have to look at the map. To get the same kind of experience, I guess. That's what. Alright, that's the overlook, and that's the loop. Camping. So it's overlook, which we can. You canoe this to and then get back, you know. Things that make you go.
Well, there's several not pickup points, but slip points you can get off at.
Someone else coming too. It's U.S. Forest.
Yeah.
So this is U.S. property here.
Yeah. This is U.S.
Johnny. Johnny says we're investigating the loop.
Yeah.
And when we leave, well, we'll map it out. We'll see. That's kind of cool. It's got some nice overlooks.
It does.
right there? Is that what that is?